Okay, so now that we removed all the husks from our tomatillos, what we're gonna do is go ahead and chop them. And I'm gonna chop them just in quarters. Remember, we're gonna blend these in a little bit, so they don't have to be a perfect chop. So just a nice little rough chop. And if you notice the inside of them, they kind of have the texture of an apple almost. They're pretty tough. And so that's the texture you want. That's the right thing that you're looking for there. And with this salsa, don't think you can only use it with enchiladas. It's got a lot of really great uses. You can use it as just a dipping sauce for chips. You can use it for toppings for quesadillas or different things like that. It's also a really good base for like a green chili. You can make green chili with it and add pork, all kinds of things. So get creative with it. You can add, another thing that's really good is add sour cream to it and make it into kind of a dip. And then a lot of people like to add fresh avocado to it and then make it into kind of a guacamole. So get creative and have fun with these new fruits if this is new for you.